Sometimes we think in our haste, in our rush, the last thing on our mind is our salah, our connection with Allah. We feel like it's coming in the way. We think if we do more, we will gain more, but actually we end up gaining less. Sometimes to speed up, you have to slow down. You're in the storm. You've lost a loved one. You're sat in the hospital. You're at your mum's janazah. You're about to enter into divorce proceedings. You're struggling to find a job. You're struggling. You're in a storm. You're in a bad place, a dark place. This is the moment. Rather than doing more of the stuff you think will help you get there, stop and pray your salah. Because when you stand up to pray your salah, you will suddenly start to feel anchored in something. Salah is your anchor in the storm. Salah is your shade on a hot day. Salah is your peace in a stressful moment.